Hi, welcome to VisitBasis 2. In this video, I will show you how to create your first simple scenario. Scenarios are the activities your reps will perform while visiting places, basically the forms you need to capture from each place. To create your first scenario, go to Scenarios on the main VB2 menu, click on the More Options menu, and select Create Scenario. Here's a tip. At any time when creating a scenario, you can click on Preview on the main information window to see how it will look like. Now we'll fill in the information. Scenario name is required. Let's name it First Scenario. Description is optional. Report time budget. This is how long you expect it to take for your rep to complete the scenario. Optional. Response destination. If you want to separate data into buckets by project or season, for instance, it's optional as well. Check the box Use without ticket or assignment. If the box is checked, your reps will be able to file reports on the scenario anytime from anywhere. Here's a tip. If your reps plan their own visits, or if you want your reps to add a scenario to any place/visit, always check this box. Check or not the box Notify editors of new report. If this box is checked, any followers of this scenario who are editors will receive notifications of new incoming reports. Now let's click on this icon on the navigation bar to move to the Questions window. On a new browser tab or window, we will go to a Google Sheets table with a sample question table. This is what a scenario question table looks like. This scenario has 3 questions. A short answer question, what is your name? A drop-down question, what is your favorite color? To which we must provide options. And a photo question, take a selfie, that we can answer by using the phone camera or media library on the mobile device. This is what the column params source equals to tells us. So let's import the questions. Select Copy the sample question table from A2 to G6 from Google Sheets. On the VB2 tab window, click on Import Export, select All, that can be Ctrl-A on PC or Command-A on Mac, from the import box and paste the data. Tip: you can also use Excel to edit your question tables. To create your own custom scenarios, copy-paste the example table and populate it with your own questions parameters. Click on Done after pasting data. Now we will define the options for the drop-down question, so we go to the Options window. Let's go back to the tab where the Google Sheets sample table is open. Here's what the options table looks like. Our colors drop-down will have 3 options to choose from: red, blue, or green. Let's import the options. Select and copy the sample options table from A10 to G13 from Google Sheets. On the VB2 tab window, click on Import Export and select All from the import box. Now we paste the data. Click on Done after pasting. We're done. Let's go back to the main scenario window and click on Create Scenario. We have just created our first VB2 scenario. Now we need to tell the system which users can fill in this form and edit it if needed. Select our first scenario from the list on the Scenarios window. Now we click the Permissions box. Click on Add Followers. Select all users by checking the top checkbox. Click on Apply. Our first scenario is now ready for use. Now we can go to the VisitBasis 2 mobile app and file a report on this scenario from any place. View reports filed on this scenario under Reports. And download CSV files containing the tabulated answers to the scenario under Reports Responses. That's it. Thank you for choosing VisitBasis.